In this video, I'm going to show you how to download voice messages from Messenger on Android. So the best way to do this is by using the built-in screen recorder that does come in Android devices, and that will allow you to actually capture audio that comes from your device, and then you can refer to that audio at any point, and you could basically go ahead and use it for reference. So if you have a Samsung device like myself, then it is going to come in with a built-in screen recorder, and if you don't have a Samsung, then what you can always do is just look up screen recorders. There's many great ones out there, including Mobizen, which is the one that I actually use on a daily basis. But anyways, if you do have a Samsung phone, then you want to go ahead and select on screen recorder right over here, and you just want to double check that whenever you are using a screen recorder, you record the sound of the media that is coming from your phone, not media and mic. The mic is going to pick up on your voice and like the air and the wind around you and stuff like that. So if you only want to go ahead and get the voice messages, please go ahead and select on media, then press on start recording, and while it's recording, play the message in its entirety, and once it's done, go ahead and stop the recording, and then from there, you guys are able to go ahead and refer to that video message. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.